Hello everybody, today we're going to introduce to you our freezer gelato display, glass display. This one is a model number F50, sorry. The measurements are 50 inches long, and the depth here is about 25 inches, and in height, from the floor to the top of the glass, is about 53 inches high. This one you could fit about pretty much 2, 4, 6, 8 buckets in there of ice cream or gelato. It has sliding glass doors here as well over here. And it comes with the lids. Of course, it doesn't come with the bins, so you can buy them yourself. But it comes with the lids as well, and it comes with everything in there for your storage in the bottom. It is NSF certified by the health department. So if you can see on there, this is a little spec sheet on the corner. It's a voltage 115 volts, standard connection to the wall. It also comes with wheels, so you can move it around anywhere in your business. This one is pretty much with the glass here, and the glass here is about 17 inches in height, and the glass from here to front is 19 inches. And over here we have the model F70. This one comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 buckets for the ice cream. Has a sliding door bottom glass as well to seal it, and of course this curved glass. The measurements is 70 inches long, running from left to right, and then the depth here is 25. The height from the floor to the top is 53 inches high. It also is NSF certified by the health department, so it's certified for commercial use. It has a spec sheet here. It's 115 volts, so standard connections. It also comes with wheels. Everything comes included already inside of it, okay? You see on there, certified by the health department, okay? So if you guys want to purchase these two units, the F50, F70, go ahead and place the order on the website. Usually when you place the order, it takes anywhere from 5 to 9 business days, depending on your location for delivery. If you guys have any questions, give us a call and we'll try our best to answer them. Thank you for watching. This is the F50 and F70.